We're going to talk a little bit about inflation, but most importantly, the context of this video is that this Wednesday, the Federal Reserve is about to cut interest rates for the first time in 2025, while the S&P 500 sits at record highs. So this is only the third time since 1996 that this has ever happened. So the big question is, what is actually going to happen next? Let's break it down in this video. Okay, so here's the setup. U.S. stock valuations have hit the highest levels on record. So if we take a look at this chart right here, the blue line is basically a combination of trailing price to earnings, forward price to earnings, CAPE ratio, price to book, and a bunch of other stuff, market cap, GDP, all that stuff. So average percentile full history. Now, the white line is the logarithmic line of the S&P 500's growth since basically 1900. The source of this is Bloomberg. So we hit a new high as of August 2025, just about a couple weeks ago. And you can see here about every 25 years or so, we're basically hitting this all-time high. So you have 1929, 1965. Yes, that's 36 years, I understand. And then you can see here in 2025, we did it again. So what does this all mean? So we have basically U.S. stock valuations hitting all-time highs. They're actually surpassing the dot-com bubble of 2000, as I just showed you the 1999 line, and even the 1929 peak before the Great Depression. But here's the twist. This might actually be justified because we are in the middle of the biggest technological revolution in over 20 years, and that is artificial intelligence. It's going to be automation. It's going to be data-driven, digital, everything, okay?